When you need professional cleaning, call CBC first. We have the technology, the manpower, and the experience to clean your carpet, upholstery, rugs, tile, grout, and more properly. With years of mastery in both the most cutting-edge, technologically advanced modern tools as well as proven traditional ones, our friendly and knowledgeable technicians know how to clean your property right. Hey guys!
Hey, it's CBC. We're here to take care of your carpet and flooring cleaning today.
Awesome. Come in. There are many reasons we've been voted the best Santa Clarita carpet cleaning company. We treat your home and your possessions with the same care and consideration we would our own. Our meticulous cleaning process preserves the beauty and integrity of your flooring, ensuring they remain a cherished part of your home decor. We do everything in our power to ensure that we leave your home better than it was when we arrived. With the caliber of cleaning instruments you can't find in stores, we understand what it takes to make your home look how it should. Those hard-to-reach areas, the grime that builds up over years from the daily foot traffic of family, kids, and pets, those stains that just won't come out. We take care of them all. Using safe and effective deep cleaning tech, we take care of them quickly and completely. No matter your kind of furniture, flooring, carpet, hardwood, couches, and more, inside or out, we've got you covered from top to bottom. Always using the right tools for the job, we protect and clean simultaneously. Kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms. If there's a room in your home, we can help it meet and exceed your expectations. As you can see, we've used these tools many times before. Now, we can put that experience to work for your home. Contact us through our site for a free estimate. When it comes to your carpets, your floors, your upholstery, and your home, call CBC first.